Now to reveal this week's Bobbie's Best with today's one of our favorites, Bobbie Thomas.
Yeah, she's got her 5 favorite finds that get us through the summer. So, BT, what do we have?
Okay, well, you know who helped me out. This is my morning obsession.
What is this?
Whoa. Yeah, I have white on. Whipped coffee was a viral.
Wait, what?
Yes, Dalgona was a viral sensation. I don't know if they can get this.
Did you just pour normal coffee up in there?
Well, this is a little packet. Hoda's holding it.
packet.
I'm actually trying to make this without it getting everywhere.
And you put water in it?
You whip it, and everything you need is in the packet because when it went viral over the pandemic, you had to make it from scratch. It took forever. Now this whipped coffee kit is a little.
Look at that.
Oh,
look.
it's amazing. It's a
Wait,
little.
Look what's happening.
Can I just tell you something? I've never had a whipped coffee.
And that's the almond milk on the bottom?
Almond milk is my favorite. This kit gives you
both have to have a taste of this.
everything you
Can we taste
need.
it?
Yes.
Can I taste it too?
This is heaven. And you don't have to sit over a stove to make it thanks to this kit. I'm obsessed. Right? Okay, so guys, I usually am up here with you can't stop.
God.
It's so good. It's like a dash of sea salt, a dash of cocoa, and
It's like
coffee.
caramely a little
It's
bit.
really good,
And
but
it's
it's not too sweet.
No, it's not too sweet. It's so delicious. And the whipped thing comes, the little whipper, the thing. I know, we'll be here the whole segment. Let's go.
Okay, we gotta keep moving. That's good.
Take it with you. It's so good.
Okay, what's your number 2?
Number 2, I have to tell you, sun gloves. Now, Hoda is so not into this.
Isotoners, whatever those were. Okay.
This is for driving gloves. Look, tennis, golf, don't laugh. I'm telling you, the brown spots you'll complain about on your hands, you will prevent future brown spots. Hoda is not into this, but I'm telling you.
You know why Hoda isn't into it?
I know, because
she just says you gotta live and let live.
You gotta live.
I
So wait,
get it.
what are these
But
long
look,
sleeves?
When I'm out at the park, that's for golfing. So guys that have the farmer's tan and, look, I have a loved one that got skin cancer on the farm.
Okay.
So this is really great for golfing. And look, it leaves it open on the backside. And I'm telling you, for people who really want to cover,
look,
I'm not going to try to sell you, but my mother-in-law loves them. I love them.
Do you wear these? Do you wear these?
I wear the little ones when I'm driving because
you
the
do?
sun through the window.
You're cute.
Well, that's why your skin is always going to be better than ours.
Okay. So Lashify's Melt Away. I was literally in the bathroom thinking I have to share this because it's usually meant for eyelash glue to remove it. However, in the summer, people don't want to use waterproof mascara and such because it's hard to get off.
Right.
This is the best thing to get off your eye
Waterproof
makeup
mascara.
because it doesn't dry out your lashes where they'll fall out. It's nourishing. This has saved my lashes. If you want a good makeup remover that's gentle and that will take off glue and waterproof, this is it.
Those are real lashes?
No, I'll show you another day.
They're beautiful. They're beautiful. That's why I asked.
By the way, when Bobbie talks, I'm mostly looking
Me
at her.
too. I was just staring at her eyes. These
important
aren't my real ones either.
I love you.
But you knew that. Okay.
All right.
What's this one?
So this is a way to upgrade your shower because we're not doing baths in the summer, and this is the way to get miles into the shower at the end of the day. They're shower steamers.
This could be just what you need.
Yes, they're shower bombs. Exactly.
So
and the kids will get in the shower because you put it on the floor, and it adds that sort of sensory fun.
Oh, look at these. These are for sinus relief.
They're amazing.
Wow.
I love them. They're so good. Miles totally gets his little shower bomb, but they're called shower steamers. I love them.
But they're good if your child has a cold, too.
Okay, come.
Brilliant.
I don't want to run out of time because
number one. Hit it.
Guess what? More girlfriend support.
Oh, my word. What is happening?
Don't
here?
make
always
fun of
go
this.
with the chicken cutlets.
Let me tell you why. These are nippies from Bristol 6. Under a swimsuit, you don't get that much coverage. You can't wear a bra. Ladies,
Under your bathing suit?
Under your bathing suit. It's water resistant. I'm telling you.
BT, this is going to fly out, and my child is going to be totally humiliated.
No, it won't, I promise you. Look, and an invisible bra. I have been testing this, and I have to tell you, on Amazon, I found 2 that you'll find the link to.
Wait, look.
So a part of this is clear.
Yes, you should.
And then now you're
Where do you put it?
Really? Now do you want to know? Yeah, okay, now they want to listen. Because you have an invisible bra to lift.
Oh.
Wait,
and it holds.
That today.
I'll try it during the commercial break.
Right?
Are these my size?
Yes.
Are they one size fits all?
Listen, go to Instagram. I'll answer any of your questions. I swear this works. Don't listen to that.
Okay, what else?
And styling tape to help you kind of lift and separate so you don't have a wardrobe malfunction.
Look, it works for all skin types.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'm telling you, I'll put it on.
Okay. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, you can check out any of Bobbie's Best at today.com/.